Okay, one of the last items in the rubric is to make sure that your paper is generally free from grammar errors and that it follows MLA format. So I want to show you in this video what elements you need to have in your essay to make sure that you have a correct and presentable essay. So in this sample that I shared with you, I have, first of all, my last name and page number on the header upper corner right hand side. And then I have my name, the class that I'm taking, the professor, the way it shows here, and then the date that you're turning in your revision. The title of your essay should be centered, and each of the words, the main words, should be capitalized. At the beginning of each paragraph, you have to make sure you have indentation to indicate that that's the beginning of a new paragraph. All your essay needs to be double spaced times New Roman, size 12. Margins, top, left, right, and bottom should be 1 inch each. So those are the main elements that you need to have to make sure that your essay is properly formatted. I hope this helped. If not, always let me know.